Guys, iGames here, and today I'm going to be showing you my gun, so let's get started. So, this is my gun. It's Range Master, and so it has pretty wide elbowing, I've got elbow center right here, and the trigger. And then so you pull this like that, and then it's all the way back, and then you put the bullets, you put a bullet in here. So let me put a bullet in here. Okay. You gotta make sure it's tightened so it won't get jammed. And so now you're gonna just put that in tight. This down, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna take this thing off. Okay, I took the scope off. Let's just look through it. Okay, and this part right here is where you put this right here, so you could like put it up. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I also took this, I told you. So, just like, zoom out, and put this right here. So this thing is like, for this, and then now, you can like, so, you can put this down, put this scope on, okay, so, it's loaded, so, let's shoot it. So, let me just like, go my good way. That shot far. Okay, so that was my review. Bye.